ये कहलाती है निकाह वाली गली। और इंटरेस्टिंग यहाँ पे हिंदी टेक्स्ट में कुछ लिखा हुआ था दीवारों पर।
So interesting.
एंड राइट हियर यू हैव अरबिक। पर इसको निकाह वाली गली पता है क्यों कहते हैं?
बहुत ही नैरो गली है।
बहुत नैरो है।
तो जब
और
लोग
जब
गुजरते
दो लोग आते हैं
गुजरते तो
उनका मिलाप हो जाता है। और उस इन ट्रेडिशन विद इन कीपिंग विद लाहौरी ह्यूमर दे कॉल्ड इट निकाह वाली गली।
निकाह वाली गली कि अगर ऐसा मिलाप हो गया तो फिर अब तो आपका निकाह ही हो जाना चाहिए क्योंकि आप काफ़ी करीब आ चुके हैं।
वैसे अगर हम लाहौर की बात करते हैं कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस की तो लाहौरी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर का जिक्र करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज हर ज़माने में यहाँ पर हर बंदा जो है ना उसमें कॉमेडियन बनने की सलाहियत होती है। और जो जुगतबाज हैं लाहौर के वो मशहूर हैं दुनिया भर में।
और
वो जो पॉइंट्स मारते हैं आपको
और जो हंसी यहाँ से निकलती है ना दिल से और पेट से एक साथ that is just remarkable.
And I think Lahori humor takes full advantage of the Punjabi language जिसमें जो चीज़ जिस तरह से कही जाती है उसमें उसका मतलब वैसे ही समझ आ जाता है चाहे आप ज़बान समझते हो या ना समझते हो।
All right, and now in one of these remarkable little gullies where we have signage. Usman ki Baithak, Akhuwat, of course, does a lot of work from what we've learned right now.
Civil society का असर यहाँ नज़र आ रहा है। They've done a lot for this area to preserve its identity. और यहाँ पर उस्मान की बैठक हमने पूछा तो पता चला कि किसी के घर का हिस्सा है जिसको कम्युनिटी सेंटर के तौर पे यूज किया जाता है। कोई बांसुरी बजा रहा है तो वहाँ आके बजा लेगा।
मौसीकी की इवनिंग्स हो रही हैं। If you could just restore it all.
चौधरी जमालदीन खादिम दरबार must be one of the many Sufi saints who made their way to Lahore.
All within the walled city.
And we're just about to walk through the Sabil Wali Gali, recently restored.
Basically यहाँ पे कुछ पानी के लिए उन्होंने कूलर्स भी लगाए हुए हैं. Not just a sadqa of sorts, but also generosity for the people. So उसको सबील वाली गली कह दी उन्होंने कि आइए
कितना अच्छा बरामदा सा बना हुआ है नहीं?
और एक आराम गाह, आकर पानी पिए और आराम करें. It's really nice. Again, this particular compound maintained by the Aga Khan Cultural Center. Lovely place to just host guests or just have a little something, a book reading of sorts.
Thank you WCLA and AKTC for taking such good care of this place and restoring it to what might be its past glory.
All right, and now we are at the Shahi Hammam, built by Wazir Khan himself, who was the governor of Lahore.
अच्छा, वजीर खान इनका पेट नेम था ना?
जी, इल्मुद्दीन अंसारी
कहलाते थे
और काफ़ी एक मशहूर शख्सियत।
आगरा के गवर्नर रह चुके थे।
आगरा के गवर्नर रह चुके थे। लाहौर में, he was the wazir, I'm assuming.
And he was the builder of the Shahi Hammam, right?
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है।
जो कि नहाने की जगह थी।
A place of pleasure. I think the royal baths, just like maybe the Turkish hammam and stuff like that, was a place for people to again hang out, recreation.
I'm guessing they've taken this from the Turkish concept of, a bathing space for royals.
I mean, Central Asians का तो था ही, आज बाकू में भी है, ये भी तो मुगल्स I guess लेकर आए थे अपनी.
They were Turkic.
बिल्कुल, Central Asian पना. So this was probably the bath, right?
Lovely. Even today,
yes,
seems an attractive proposition.
Again, with your painting, delicate little
kashikari,
kashikari. कि भाई आज शाम हमाम में मिलते हैं,
बिल्कुल. It's like see you at the club.
See you at the club. थोड़ा सा बैठेंगे, थोड़ी सी बातें करेंगे, कावा पिएंगे. And then hammam, place for massage, bath, body scrubs, just spoiling yourself, And I think the Mughals were really big on also personal care, by the way. Whenever you see their pictures, they're well clad in terms of their jute, their kapde, their kapde.
वैसे पंजाब में भी generally नहाने धोने का culture हमेशा से था.
बिल्कुल सही है. लेकिन वो जो leisurely time spent in the pool,
in this luxurious way,
know?
must have been a Mughal thing.
making big deals while somebody's giving you a nice massage, head massage going on simultaneously. Shisha, hammams and shisha की association भी काफ़ी है. You know कि hammam के बाद sit down and have a shisha and kava
Really?
and chat in the premises, yeah? People coming, going. You're like, hello, how are you, Fazan? So historian William Dalrymple was here.
He would have been.
He's written about Lahore
Has he
also.
written about a book about Lahore?
He's written about Lahore, not a book called Lahore. Yeah.
If
but-
you cover Delhi, you have to talk about Lahore and you have to
Exactly.
talk about Karachi,
And he's
where all the
visited.
Delhi walas went.
इसकी renovation work बहुत अरसे से जारी है.
इन जगहों की टनलिंग के बारे में सोचो, जो प्लम्बिंग की होगी, you know.
पानी हर जगह
Underground.
बह रहा हो. Nicely done, you know.
Nicely done.
Nicely done.
You can only see remnants of that now, but
100%.
they tell a story, they tell a tale.
Oh, see, there was a technology because they used to have smoke furnaces which heated the floor in this part of the hammam. So furnaces would keep this part of the hammam garam pani.
सोचो.
ठंडी तो होती है ना. तो
The
luxurious.
effort and resources spent on keeping the Mughals clean and warm.
सुना है कि उस कोने से जहाँ फैजान खड़ा है अगर कुछ कहते हैं तो जिस कोने में मैं यहाँ पे मौजूद हूँ यहाँ पे इनकी आवाज़ आएगी. फैजान, should we try this experiment? बोलो कुछ. नहीं, ऐसे भी नहीं होगा.
What did you hear me say?
What did you hear me say?
I can hear you like surround effect.
Oh my God, I can hear you too.
Oh my God! Now your voice is really coming.
Now we can have a proper conversation.
So can you hear this?
Hello.
Can you say this? Can you
Wow.
say Kushan?
Kushan.
Oi, oi, it works.
It's amazing.
The technology works.
So ये basically the technology was used extensively in Mughal architecture, especially in the mosques.
Sound design.
Sound design, क्योंकि जब मुअज्जिन अजान देते थे तो इस तरफ करके ही देते थे कि फिर आवाज़ दीवारों में हर जगह से निकलती थी, गूंजती थी. तो it was almost like speakers, surround system, you know. All right, now working through the main drainage system that used to supply water to the rest of the hammam. And architecture intelligently built, you could tell that at that time people really did, you know, sit and think about how to make life luxurious with limited resources comparatively, if you look at it that way. But you see the intelligence, पानी कहाँ से आना है, heating कहाँ से होगी, cold bath कैसे होगा, तैयारी कैसे होगी.
But I must say, us people of the Indus Valley always did municipal design very well.
Very well.
The miracle of Egypt was architecture, the miracle of Mesopotamia was agriculture, and the miracle of the Indus
Irrigation.
civilization was municipal design, the way we planned our cities. The world's largest population lived in the Indus Valley,
Indus Valley.
when a very small population lived in Egypt and Iraq.
Right.
So,
Of course, it was thriving
yeah.
and ahead of everybody else. They say that they had sewage system sorted, you know,
Yeah.
they had their lanes and gullies
The
sorted.
sewage system of Sindh was much better than it
Yes.
is now, you know,
Well.
5,000 years ago.
Well,